Hello traders, welcome to the mini Thunderdome. If you're new to this channel, we trade live ES and MES market. If you follow any of my trades, doing so at your own risk. I'm not liable for any loss or damage to any live accounts, evaluations, or PA accounts. All right, guys, so I guess you're here because you saw the thumbnail warning, right? So I want to give you guys some free advice that I wish I would have known, or I wish someone would have told me. It would have saved me a lot of money, a lot of blown accounts, a lot of headaches, a lot of bad habits. So I say this all the time and I'll repeat it again. You as a retail trader, you're going against the smartest and the richest people in the world. If you want to be able to compete with them, you either have to have the smarts, the money, or at least the proper tools. Otherwise, you will lose money. Me and my one of my brothers, we use the examples that each of us have our own Formula One racing teams. And in order to do well in Formula One, you got to have money, which will give you the right engineers to design winning cars, right chassis, engine, tires, technology, uniforms, gloves, shoes, helmets. You need all of that to be at the top of the winning board. If you're at the bottom, you're losing, which in the stock market means you're losing money, and you don't want to be the last team. So my warning is that either when I first started or later on in my career, I either thought that I could do without, or I didn't want to spend the money on the proper tools. So either I started too early and I didn't have the right amount of money to go. Hold on, let me turn this sound off here. I didn't have enough money to have the proper equipment. What is the proper equipment? Either is a platform that you connect with, but it's too expensive. You don't want to buy it. You don't want to lease it. The correct data that will give you the right, proper information. An indicator, but don't fall for those people just trying to sell you a losing indicator. If there's a free trial on the indicator, great, but never buy an indicator that there's no free trial or that you can't get 100% of your money back. Or maybe it's Squawk Box, maybe it's a forum, or maybe it's a live trade room. Whatever it is, you gotta get it. There's times that I didn't have the amount of money, the right amount of money to get it all and do it right. Then there's other times that I thought that I could do without. Oh no, I don't need it. I'm a great trader. I could do without it. I want to have more money to trade. But at the end, I always lost money. Okay, I'm gonna give you my example right now. So I have IQ Feed, which I pay $130 a month. I have two Rithmic accounts. I'm not going to say my price. Well, yeah, actually, I'll say it. It's $60 a month. So I have two of those. And then I have my Ninja that I bought. I could have leased it. I have Bookmap, which I bought. I could have leased, but those two tools I need. So I need the proper platform, and then I need the proper platform to see price action. And then just on Bookmap, I have a third party, the TTW-Trader, that I lease every month. And then I have my Squawk Box. And then I have indicators for tick data that I bought that I have also. And then the books that I've bought, the webinars that I paid for. the also some blogs that I read. I don't belong to any forums now, but I have in the past. You know, trading rooms, I never belonged to one, but if I thought that it would help me, if I thought that someone like me would have helped me, I should have done it. There's times that I was either too frugal or I didn't have enough money. So if you can check any of these boxes, either stop and wait until you have enough money to do it right, and if you can't afford it, do it, because otherwise you will lose money. And losing money is not only you're losing money, but then you start to create bad habits because you're trying to come back from that loss. And the worst thing is to create bad habits, because you know, as you get older, or as you become, you know, as you trade longer, it is harder to break that mold and you know, create a new pot, a new vase. It's a lot harder. So save yourself the aggravation, your psyche. Save yourself from that. Okay? It's a free warning that I'm giving you, that it could mean your whole career. Okay? Go get what you need. As you know, I'm trying to launch a new private channel. I'm sorry that, you know, I said I was not gonna charge, but I couldn't deal with the trolls. I was being pressured. You know, I felt like I was being pressured to perform. So there's a difference between giving back and losing money. Okay, so I want to be able to give back and you know, try to help you guys. But I'm sorry, but this time around I have to go and charge. So, you know, if it's not me, if there's another trading room, you know, maybe you're here just because it's free. But if there's another person, if there's another trading room that you prefer, do it. Do it. You know? Go do whatever it takes for you to be successful. You got to invest in your team. Otherwise, you're just blowing money away. Okay, and every time they're going to get harder and harder because of the bad habits. Okay, so that's my warning. And if you haven't, you know, let me know if you're interested or not. There's my email in the description. Let me know if you're interested in signing up. I'm creating a list. The past 2 days, those people that are interested, I was sending them free trades. I think, was it yesterday? No, yeah, I think it was yesterday. I took 100 and something points of winning trades. 100 and I think it was 4 points on the ES of winning trades that I send out. You know, so if it's not me, it's someone else, whoever it is, do it. Okay? If you haven't seen my pricing structure, here it is. I had a typo, which I fixed. So I'm going to do a special for, there'll be 2 weeks once I launch. It's going to be either the first month for 124 or the first quarter for 99, and then it's going to go up to either 149 for the month or 376. Okay? Take advantage of those prices. If it's not me, it's someone else, whoever, whatever. Do the right thing so you can be profitable. Okay? Because you're going not only against the banks and professional traders, but you're going against the market maker. He is your worst enemy. He is worse than the banks because he has more information than anyone else. If you don't know what a market maker is, he is the person who's obligated to take the opposite side of your trade. If you place a market buy or sell, he's obligated to take the opposite side. So if you put a market buy, he's obligated to take that sell. But by doing that, by taking that risk, he gets the best data from the exchange. He gets the best volume data. So he sees things that you don't see. So, you know, maybe you can't beat him, but maybe you could be right behind him and he's taking money from someone else, not you. or you're able to just take a bite out of him and, you know, swim away. Because he has all of the information that you don't have. Okay? So help yourself to be a better trader. Right? I hope this was informative. Let me know if you're interested. Tomorrow is Friday the 3rd. I'll probably trade live. I'm not sure. I'm going to see how the pre-market opens, because we're still in that FOMC shadow. Whenever there's a big move of the FOMC, it still ricochets a few days later. I didn't trade today because of that. Not only that, because I made money on FOMC. I send out emails. You guys, whoever got the emails, you saw my FOMC trade. I took a prior one that I believe it was 15 points, and then I took 240 points FOMC trades that were profitable. All right. Thanks for watching, and let's see if we can go live tomorrow. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome.